we deserved to be one down at half-time, and they were unlucky not to be more. We've got away with a lucky equaliser, I think. I don't think whether or not it was a foul. Some are saying it was a foul, and before we crossed the ball in. But you take your luck in games. Sometimes you need it. But I thought we were the most dominant team in the second half, and game of two halves.
I think is heartbreak the right word to describe that at the end?
Yeah, bitterly disappointed. I thought it was a game of two halves. To be honest with you, I thought we were the better team in the first half and rightfully in front. But you could see in the second half our legs started to go a little bit more, and Rhyl showed that extra fitness that they've got, being a tier 2 side. And it's been a bit of the story the last couple of weeks, because we had a similar tale last weekend where we conceded a couple of goals late on, and it was the same today. So it's something we've got to address and take forward from here.
Well, Ben, might not be the hardest goal you'll ever score, but it might be one of the most important. Talk us through it.
Right place, right time. I got into the box a bit, but it just didn't fall right. The header earlier on, obviously the keeper's made a good save, and thankfully there at the end it's an easy tap in, so glad to be through to the next round.
You left it late there. Talk us through the game in general though.
Poor first half, very poor. We was well off it, miles off it. The gaffer gave us a bit of a telling off at half time, and then we woke up, come out second half, was by far the better team. It was just a matter if we take our chances, and we did.
Just the physicality and the standard of tier 2, it does tell. We've found that from the step from tier 3 to tier 2. But look, nothing against Porthmadog today. They've really worked hard for their gaffer, and on another day they could have come out the other side. But I thought second half was just probably a bit too strong for them, and we had a few chances before we scored, so it was just a matter of time. And glad that we've got over the line.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, this heartbreak, obviously there must be a bit of pride mixed in there as well, mustn't there?
I've just said to the lads in there, obviously we've won 5 rounds to get to this point. We've knocked two tier 2 teams out on the way in, Denby and Buckley. We've had penalty drama, we've had our own comeback win in the last round. So, you've seen the amount of people here supporting today, so we've done well to get this far. And yet there is pride in that, but obviously bitterly disappointed to lose the way we did today.
What do you fancy for the next round?
Anyone really. Bangor at home, I'm hearing a lot. The club would like, but anyone. You got to beat them all, haven't you, to get to the final and then win it. So